better air, increased mental efficiency, spatial tranquility, and a beautiful aesthetic. Why wouldn't you get as many houseplants as you could? Well, we have jobs, we travel, and not all of us have a green thumb. Introducing Mother Home Robotics. Let Mother take care of your green friends while you enjoy the benefits of houseplants with no hassle. Do you have an unearthly amount of plastic plants in all of your rental properties? How well is that plant doing in your office? Be honest, do you know how much water your plant needs right now? Don't we all share some of the same issues? Mother has a dehumidifier and a water tank, and after being plugged into a wall outlet, it will connect to your Wi-Fi network and water your plant with decalcified water with wise efficiency. Upon scanning the QR code, you will receive weekly updates on your plant's health. No app, no watering, no overpriced plastic plants, and no more unlucky monsteras. Leave it all up to Mother, and be wise. Thank you.